video. First of all, we have to understand the concept for which we will draw a figure of square. So this is a square. Now, how we can find its area? So you know that all of the sides of the square is equal. So if this is A, this will also A, this will also A, and this one also, its length will be A. Now for that, for finding the area of a square, for proving the area of a square, we have to draw a diagonal. Now as you know that all of the angles, all four angles are 90 degrees, means all of them are perpendicular to each other in a square or in a rectangle. So here it is 90 degree and here also it is 90 degree. So it means here these two triangles are right angle triangles. So now if we are finding the area of a square, means we are finding the area of a square, means the region occupied by the square is its area. So this is the region, all of this is the region occupied by the square, means it is the area of a square. So first of all we will find the area of this, then of this, then if we will add this, then we can easily find the area of this square. So first of all we will find the area of this square, of this triangle. And then as we know that the area of right angle triangle is, this is A, B, C, D. So this is a triangle DBC. Area of triangle DBC is half into base into height. Half into base into height, which is half into A, which means half into A square, and that is A square by 2. Now this is the area of this triangle, and similarly if we will find the area of this, not rectangle, it's a triangle. So similarly if we will find the area of this triangle, then here also the base is A and the height is A. So the same area we can find as a result again. So if here also it is A square by 2 and here also it is A square by 2, means area of triangle ADB. ABD is, it is A square by 2. And if we will add both of these, then we will get the area of square ABCD. So area of square ABCD is, area of square ABCD is A square by 2 plus A square by 2. That will be, now we will take the LCM. Now the LCM is 2 A squared plus A squared. That is 2A squared by 2. Now it is 2 will be cancelled. A square is the area of this square, means here is the side. So area of this square is, area of the square we can find as side into side or side square. This is the formula for finding the area of a square. And I hope that you understand that how we can derive the formula for finding the area of. So friends, in an area of a square also there are two conditions. In the first, the side will be given and according to that I have taken this example to understand both of the to make you understand both of the conditions. So if the first one is, if the side of a square is given, find area. Second one is area of a square is given, find the side. Now we are first solving the first one, means the first condition. So solution. This is of the first one. Of first. The side is, here I am taking side as this. It is given to be 8 cm and we have to find A. A means the area. So we have to find that area. Then we know the formula, area equals to side square means 8 square and 8 centimeter square, which means centimeter square. So we can write it as 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. Now it is 8 8 is 64 and centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. This is the answer. So 64 centimeter square is the answer. So you can see by using the formula how easily we can understand it. But the concept is that we have to understand it how we can prove it. So now it's the first condition. Its answer is 64 centimeter square. Now we will move to the second condition. Now it's the solution of second condition. Given is what? Here given is what? It's given that area A is 36 centimeter square and we have to find S equals to what? A means area, S means side. So here the formula when the area is given and we have to find the side. So the formula for that is S equals to under root A, means square root of A. So here it is 36 centimeter square, which will be here 6 centimeter, because 6 into 6 is 36. So the square root of 36 will be 6. So 6 centimeter is the answer. So मैंने आपको एक वे से बताया. This is the one way that I have told you. But if you are in junior class, then you don't know how to find square root of any number. So because it comes, you will study it from class 7th or 8th. So now for junior, I am telling this for junior that how they can find the length of side. So we know that side square equals to A. Now side equals to, here it is 36 centimeter. We can write it as 6 centimeter into 6 square into, we can write it as 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter, which is the square of 6 centimeter. So at the LHS there is also square and at the RHS there is also square. So that will be cancelled and the answer will be 6 centimeter. So in this way also you can solve the problem when the area is given and you have to find the side. So 6 centimeter is the answer of the second condition, and I hope that you understand both of the conditions. First one is when the side is given and you have to find the area, and the second one is the area is given and you have to find the side. So if there is any doubt, comment in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel, like this video.